Hello friends, welcome to the Biological Life Sciences channel. Today we are going to see the exam details about TIFR-GS, that is also called as GGBLS, in 2021. Let's begin. The important dates of the exam are as follows. The nationwide entrance exam will be on Sunday 7th March 2021. The online application will start from 9 January 2021 and the last date is 31 January 2021. The test timing is on Sunday, March 7, 2021 in morning session from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. for physics, chemistry, computer science and system sciences, and in afternoon it will be for biology, that is from 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. for mathematics, also the same timing. Let's see the different programs offered by TIFR. In the subject mathematics, it offers PhD and integrated PhD MSc program. In the School of Mathematics TIFR, this is the reference site for that School of Mathematics TIFR. Then Center for Applicable Mathematics CAM Bangalore. This is the site for reference site for CAM Bangalore. Then International Center for Theoretical Sciences Bangalore. This is only for PhD and its site is here. In physics, it also offers PhD and integrated MSc PhD program here in different departments of TIFR, such as Department of Astronomy and Astrophysics, Department of Condensate Matter Physics and Material Sciences, Department of High Energy Physics, Department of Nuclear and Atomic Physics, and Department of Theoretical Physics, TIFR Mumbai. In chemistry, it offers PhD and integrated MSc PhD program in Department of Chemical Sciences, TIFR Mumbai. Then TIFR Center for Interdisciplinary Sciences, Hyderabad, TIFR H. The reference sites for such programs are given here. For biology, it offers PhD integrated MSc PhD program and MSc programs. The site in the Department of Biological Sciences, TIFR Mumbai. The site for the same is given here. Then National Science for Center for Biological Sciences, NCBS Bangalore. It offers PhD and integrated MSc PhD program only. Then TIFR Center for Interdisciplinary Sciences, TIFR H, that is in Hyderabad. It offers PhD and integrated MSc PhD program only. Then Computer and System Sciences, including Communication Machine Learning, PhD and integrated PhD. It is offered at School of Technology and Computer Sciences, TIFR Mumbai. So these are all the reference sites for different programs offered here. There is different cities in which the examination will be carried out. The cities are Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh; Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh; Guwahati, Assam; Patna, Bihar; Bhilai, Chhattisgarh; Delhi; Ahmedabad, Gujarat; Mandi, Himachal Pradesh; Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu; Jamshedpur, Jharkhand; Bengaluru, Karnataka; Mangalore, Karnataka; Mumbai, Maharashtra; Nagpur, Maharashtra; Pune, Maharashtra; Bhubaneswar, Orissa; Chandigarh, Punjab; Jalandhar, Punjab; Jaipur, Rajasthan; Chennai, Tamil Nadu; Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu; Madurai, Tamil Nadu; Hyderabad, Telangana; Agartala, Tripura; Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh; Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh; Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh; Haldani, Uttarakhand; Bardhaman, West Bengal; Cochin, Kerala; Kozhikode, Kerala; Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh; Indore, Madhya Pradesh; Kharagpur, West Bengal; Kolkata, West Bengal. So these are the different cities where the examination will be held. So let's see now the eligibility for different exams. For mathematics, for PhD, MA, MSc, M Maths, M Stats, ME, M Tech students are allowed for PhD. For integrated PhD, BA, BSc, B Maths, B Stat, BE, B Tech students already having completed the master degree by July 2021 are not eligible for integrated PhD. So here you can see for eligibility for mathematics. Now let's see the eligibility for physics. For physics, the eligibility for PhD is MSc, MS in physics or equivalent degree on completion of programs of duration not less than 5 years. For integrated PhD, ME, MTech, BSc, BS, BE, BTech, BChem in physics, engineering physics or equivalent degree should be there. Now let's see the eligibility for chemistry. For chemistry, PhD, MSc, BE, BTech, M Pharm or equivalent degree is required. for at least 2 years course. For integrated PhD, BSc, B Pharm, BS degree or equivalent degree, candidate with BE, BTech enrolled in PhD programs can optionally get an MSc degree by fulfilling additional qualification. Let's see the eligibility for biology. For PhD in biology, mathematics in basic sciences such as MSc Physics, Chemistry, Maths, any branch of biology, or any professional master's degree, M Pharm, M Tech, or a 4-year degree program, example MBBS, BDS, students holding an MSc degree in non-biology allied discipline such as chemistry, physics, maths, computer sciences who wish to obtain an MSc in biology will be offered option of enrolling in integrated PhD at the time of joining. For integrated for biology, it is also called as GGBLS. The TIFR nationwide entrance exam, that is GS 2021 for biology, is also called as Joint Graduate Entrance Exam for Biology and Interdisciplinary Life Sciences. This is in short called as GGBLS. Its website is given here, you can note it. All participating institutions use the result from this examination as a part of their admission process. Students need to apply separately for all the participating institutes in GGBLS. There are different institutes of GGBLS such as CCMB, CDFD, then NCBS, Pune, etc., ICER. See, all the details of these institutes are given on this website of GGBLS. What are the fellowships that you get after passing this exam? For PhD and integrated PhD, the academic year starts from August every year. The academic year for MSc and MSc begins in July 1 every year. The PhD student receives a monthly fellowship of 31,000 per month, enhanced to 35 after registration. Integrated PhD student receive a monthly stipend, that is fellowship of 21,000 for first year. At the end of first year, upon satisfactory performance, the fellowship is enhanced to 31,000 per month, further raised to 35 after registration for PhD. And for MSc Biology, student receive a monthly stipend of rupees 16,000 monthly plus HRA, house rent and allowance as per applicable. These are the different exam dates. For current year, the last date for filling the application is 31 January 2021. The test timing is already told to you earlier, but for physics, chemistry and computer science, it is 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. this year. Then again in afternoon session, it will be for biology and mathematics from 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. Thank you for watching the video. All the best for the exam. Please press the like button if you like the video, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.